Hello, this is Rakesh Rao from Coordinate Systems. In this GeoTools video, I'm going to talk about a command called Drape Poly, which can be used to drape a 3D polyline across a set of intersecting linear objects and pick up the Z values from it. For example, in this drawing, you can see we have a set of contours. If we you can see that there is a gentle upslope and a downslope. So we go back to the top view, and let us say now I draw a 3D line across the contours, and this 3D line is now at 0 elevation. So if you go back to the 3D view, you can see that the line is at the base while the terrain is having the elevations. The 3D polyline has got just two vertices, and Drape Poly is going to drape this exactly on the terrain so that it acquires all the intermediate vertices. So we go to GeoTools, we go to Build, we go to Drape a 3D polyline. The first question is select source polylines to be draped. So this is my source. You can select one or more. If I have only one, I press enter, and the next question is select target polylines to get the elevations from. So I'm going to use the fence selection and select all these because these are my target from which I want to get the elevation. The next question is enter lower bound elevation value including and below which is considered out of range. So here you need to enter values which you definitely know is out of range. This helps you to manage your data in a more effective manner. 0 is okay in this case. And the next question is enter upper bound value including and above which is to be considered out of range. So 10,000 is okay because if we are working in meters, 8848 is the highest elevation. The last question is, do you want to drape the source polylines across every layer of target polylines individually? What this means is that if you have a drawing with multiple layers, there is a possibility that you may want to drape each set of lines with each layers independently. So you can do a layer wise draping. That is required only in some advanced cases. So for most people the answer can be no. So it has already done it. You can see that 96 vertices have been added. So if you click this polyline, you can see all the additional vertices. So let's go to steering wheel once again, go to orbit, go to zoom. So you can see that the 3D polyline now has vertices all along the points where it crosses the contours. So this is what is drape. It really allows you to create your 3D polylines following the geometry of the terrain very easily. In this case, we have shown how to drape across a set of contours, but you can also drape across another set of 3D lines, like you may have 3D strike lines from a mining and geological survey, or a 3D road center line from civil survey. So any kind of 3D data can be used to drape a polyline and acquire the Z values. Thank you, and let me know if you have any questions. It's also possible to run the command from the command line, and it is called as gt_drape poly. The command runs identically in BricsCAD as well, and you can see that the results are identical in BricsCAD. Thank you.